So the next question for Ashik. What is Faker.js and how do you use it in your test script? Like, if you can give example from your project, that would be great. Project means specific endpoint or the UI or the features, I mean.
Yes, sure. Thank you. At first, let me tell you what actually Faker.js is. Faker.js is a JavaScript library used to generate fake data for testing purpose. And it's a very important package library to automate anything without putting any data manually. So in of my Bootcamp project that I did the hands-on practice, the hands-on, the previous webinar, I showed the add stuff where I have to give an email every time that doesn't match with the previous one. So for that, there's a two methods. So one is to do it manually every time I have to come and change the email. And so that is a more work to do and that is a more hectic way. So by using the Faker.js, I can get the random email every time I hit this API. So for that, I use this Faker.js and every time I hit this API, it will generate a random email and it will pass it to this API request. But not only email, you can generate UID, password, address, and many other things. You can all read in the documentation or you can just watch our videos where we detailedly show them. And it's a very important library to know.